Hi guys, the previous video that was unfortunately cut off before I could complete the putting back together of the Vesta, so I'm going to do it in this video. We put it back in the shell first. Then we are going to place it so the magazine faces down. Then we are going to put the pin back in. Now, this time we'll do it in the reverse order. So the head faces onward, and I'm going to push it in, like so. Then we'll just punch it in a little bit further until it is firmly in its place. And we'll do the same with the second one. And the last one. The last one is a little bit tricky because it's not straight, it's a little bit and then we punch it in. Then we put back the barrel thread and the piercing cap. Now the launcher is put back together. Now the reason that I wanted to do this on video is because I haven't seen any such videos on YouTube, and and hopefully by doing this it will help other users who are using the Vesta Sentinel and they want to open it up to get out the gems ball or to lubricate, maintain, or for what other reasons. And yeah, like it helped me before by watching these kind of videos on of tearing launchers apart and putting back together. It has helped me tremendously in the past, and now I hope to pay it forward by helping others. Thank you for watching this video, and I wish you guys a very nice day.